Welcome to Scented Palette. Today we are going to make honey garlic chicken with vegetable fried rice. I have chopped 2 carrots, 2 capsicums, and a few sprigs of scallion. Now I'm going to boil 2 cups of rice. Let us begin by adding a generous amount of oil in a pan. Add the capsicum and the carrots. Cook them until they are tender but retain a slight crunch. I'll scoop the vegetables aside and cook 2 eggs in the same pan. Break them into smaller bits with your spoon. Mix them up. Now let's add the rice. The vegetables look good enough to utilize all the rice that we have boiled. Some black pepper, a little bit of salt, 6 tablespoons of soya sauce. Mix it all thoroughly until well combined. The rice is done now. I have here 2 chicken breasts cut in cubes. Season with black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chili flakes, 3 tablespoons soya sauce, now add 1 egg white. Mix it. A little less than 1/2 cup of white flour. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now mix it and let it marinate for 25 minutes. In 1/2 cup white flour, add 1/4 teaspoon salt and chili flakes. Dump the chicken pieces in flour separately and coat them thoroughly and keep setting them aside. Now fry them all in shallow oil. Take them out once they get golden brown in color. This next batch completes the frying. Now it's time to make the sauce. Add 1 cup water. Add 1 chicken bouillon. You can use 1 cup chicken stock as well. Once it dissolves, add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. 4 tablespoons of honey, give it a boil, Grate the garlic in a pan and make it fragrant in some oil. Once the aroma comes out, add your chicken stock and honey mixture. Season with 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. Salt to taste. Add cornstarch slurry to thicken it to your desired level. 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar. Add your chicken and keep stirring till the sauce is reduced. It's done, so let's take it out. This is how you can finish the family serving. And here we are preparing the final look of the single serving.
Fun.